Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Today I'm building the Hawker P1127 vertical takeoff and landing research aircraft in 1/72nd scale from AIRFIX. Now this is the Vintage Classics release issued in 2024 of a kit first sold by AIRFIX in 1963. Now if you enjoy the show, and I hope you do, please remember to let YouTube know by giving it the imperial thumbs up, hitting the notification bell and subscribing to the channel. It's free and a great way to show your support. Now if you fancy one of these or indeed anything else AIRFIX yourself and you don't have a local bricks and mortar shop, you might want to go through to the AIRFIX online store. If you do and you use my affiliate link below, then whatever you buy at no cost to you, AIRFIX will make a donation to the running of this channel. You can still use and collect Hornby Hobby reward points and get your 10% club discount if you are a member of the AIRFIX club. So let's make a start by looking at the paints and products I used for this project. I'm starting with the ejection seat and I'll trim it here for a slightly more realistic profile to the top box. Then I've added a couple of bits of copper wire as initiator handles. On then to the inside, and the mounts for the exhausts need to go into the fuselage. Then there are these panels for the inner part of the engine inlet. Then the fan disc for the engine can go into place in the fuselage. And with the fan disc in, the two halves of the fuselage can go together. The fit is, shall we say, casual. While the fuselage is setting, I can make the stubby little wings, two halves for each side. Then the wings can go into the fuselage. The setting is a little haphazard, but the anhedral sits quite well. I've put a cap on the end of the tail, then I'm going to put in the horizontal stabilisers. They interlock with these tabs. Then the nose cone goes on the front and I'm ready to paint the whole thing in white aluminium. Inside the cockpit I've put a small strip of plastic for some instruments. This needs to be painted black. With the paint set I can also put on the decals. These are modern cartograph ones, so they sit well on the lumps of the old moulding. The main gear leg needs two wheels on it. The rest of the gear legs are single piece items. The outriggers go on the ends of the wings. Now to finish the front, I've painted up the pilot who goes into the cockpit, and I can fix the windshield. Now I've sawn the canopy using a razor saw for this. The final thing for me to do is put the exhaust nozzles in, and the kit is already done. There it is. I enjoyed this in the main and I had fun trying to pimp up the cockpit area. With more time, patience and somewhat more talent, there are other things I could do to make this a better representation of the P1127, but I'm pretty happy with what I did. Now, if you're happy about what I did, then please let YouTube know by giving it the imperial thumbs up, by hitting the notification bell and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and goodbye.